Hi! We're back with a simple makeup and eyelash tutorial.
Viviana prefers a minimal look, so I'm applying foundation MAC Studio Fix Fluid with a brush.
Girl, we love to be natural out here.
Yep, totally agree. Less is more sometimes.
Oh, looking good. I love a light coverage.
I'm now going to apply concealer around the eyes. I'm using NARS. Excuse the fact I'm using the foundation brush, but I didn't have my brushes to hand. I'm applying the concealer over the eyelid and under the eye. We love to use both high-end and high street brands for our makeup.
But sorry guys, we do only use Lash London lashes.
Yeah, of course.
Oh girl, I got a new face.
Now I'm applying a setting powder using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Powder.
Fee's sorting my eyebrows out using a Lord & Berry matte brow powder.
Yeah, just filling in the brows to add more contour and definition.
Look at the difference that makes. Wow.
Just filling in the other side.
Don't you just love having your brows filled in? It makes such a difference.
Yes, Viv, totally agree. I won't even go out without my brows on.
Brows on fleek.
Just adding a natural brow mascara over the brows. I'm using high definition in brown.
This is the first step to the eyelash application. Fee's applying Lash London Magnetic Eyeliner.
This is a liquid eyeliner you can use for everyday wear.
Apply the eyeliner 2 mm thick along the base of the eyelashes.
I'm just going to apply the other eye. It's so important you leave the liquid eyeliner to dry for 60 seconds.
It's essential your eyeliner is fully dry before you apply your eyelashes.
So I've applied eyeliner on both eyes and we're going to wait 60 seconds.
Wait it out, girls, please.
I'm just going to show you how you can apply a second coat, which is optional.
I love it. Fee's applying a L'Oreal brown eyeshadow for a powder eyeliner under the eye.
Yeah, I love using powders for eyeliners.
This is a lovely natural simple look.
Before applying the lashes, I've applied a mascara. I've used MAC Extreme Dimension 3D.
Fee's applying the eyelashes by hand.
Simply place the magnets flush onto the eyeliner as close to the lash line as possible. Just press the lashes on and make sure they're secure.
I love these lashes. This is Lash Style MC10 from our Magnetic collection.
I've just reapplied some setting powder. I'm now applying Barry M Afterglow Light Bronzer over the cheeks, jawline and forehead.
I love when a makeup look comes together. You can see that colour is just perfect.
You're looking good, Viv. Go and get them.
Thanks, girl.
You're welcome, chick. I'm now applying a Benefit blusher in Rose.
And we are done. The minimal makeup look took us 10 minutes to do.
And Vivi is lashed and ready to go.
Bye.